Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Yareu. What's your name?
My name is Angela.
Goodbye. Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Marcos. What is your name?
My name is Lisbeth. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your name?
My name is Luis. What's your name?
My name is Matias.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Fabricio. What's your name?
My name is Yasiru. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. My name is Michael Molina Diaz. I am 10 years old. I am from Peru. I live with my mother, father, and sister. My favorite color is green. My favorite subject is English. I live in Ferreñafe. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. My name is Ciris Amaro Verde Carbonell. I am 10 years old. I am from Peru. I live with my mother, father, brother, sister. My favorite color is yellow. My favorite subject is art. I live in Ferreñafe. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Josué David Díaz Montalvo. I am 10 years old. I am from Peru. I live with my mother. My favorite color is red. My favorite subject is math. I live in Ferreñafe. I am in my school, Manuel Antonio Mesones Muro. I can run very fast. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jonathan Eduardo. I am from Peru. I live in Ferreñafe. I live with mother and my brother. I am 11 years old. My birthday is on July. My favorite color red. My favorite subject is math. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. Today I'm going to share a little about myself. My name is Natalia Antonella Delgado Ventura. My age is 11 years. I am from Peru. I live in Ferreñafe. My favorite pet is cat. My favorite movie or TV show is The Going Down. My favorite hobby is to play volleyball. I live with my mom, brothers, and sisters. My favorite color is purple. My birthday is on December 23. My favorite subject in school is art. My favorite music is American pop. The music that I like is reggaeton. My favorite food is causa limeña. The food in the like is chupe de cangrejo. What in the like able people is leptin Mesones. The course in the like in school is Science and Technology. And my goal is be a teacher. Thank you for listening.
Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mia de Los Ángeles León Espinosa. I am from Peru. I live in Ferreñafe. My favorite pet is dog. My favorite hobby is travel. My favorite movie is The Conjuring. I live with my mom. My birthday is February 9th. My favorite color is purple. My favorite subject in school is communications. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, class. Introduce yourself. My name is Vayolena Dira Mendoza Cerquén. I am from Peru. I live in Ferreñafe. My favorite color is purple. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite pet is dog. My favorite hobby is paint. My birthday is December 27. I live with me, mom and dad. My favorite subject is math. Thank you.